science experiments by raising twins blog. I am going to do 2 little experiments today, demonstrating refraction. Can you see these 2 arrows? Both of them are pointing in the same direction, right? Let's see what happens when I keep a glass jar filled with water in front of it. Can you see the arrow change direction? This is a jar of water. Here I have a straight straw. What happens when I put it in the jar? It bends. This isn't magic. In fact, I have just demonstrated a concept called refraction. That is the bending of light. As we all know, light travels in a straight line. There are 2 terms here, reflection and refraction. Reflection is when light bounces off surfaces, like when you see your reflection in a mirror. Reflection of light is what helps us see things around us. Next is refraction. What is refraction? When light passes from one medium to another, it can bend or refract. In both the experiments, we saw light traveled from air, glass and water. Air, glass and water were the different mediums. Hence, we got the distorted images. Examples of refraction are a rainbow and a prism. In case of the rainbow, the medium is a raindrop through which light travels and bends and splits into colors. So the takeaway message is, reflection is when light bounces off surfaces. Refraction is bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. Thank you. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe.